Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from our title, we have two unbaggings to do today. This is the Mint Mongoose. This is a jewelry subscription that I absolutely love. I used to do this on our channel a long time ago. Comment down below if you remember me doing this. Anywho, this is only $12 a month, guys. And I do have a code. It is Ann, and it saves you 50% off. So you can get this puppy for only $6 a month. So if you want to see what's inside, is it worth the money, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so the reason why I have two is because I have June and July. I got June the end of the month, and then I was waiting on July. So I had this for about a week or two, but I wanted to do two different months. So that way, if this is the first time you ever heard of this subscription, you can get more of a feel if it's something that you like or not. So let me explain a little bit about what this is. So there's two different subscriptions you can get with Mint Mongoose. You can get the regular subscription where you get 3 pieces of jewelry for $12. And it is all nickel free, so it doesn't turn green or anything like that. And then you can get the black Mint Mongoose, which is a little bit more money, and you get 4 to 5 different items. And like I said, I used to get this a long time ago. I still get this to me. I do receive this in PR. I just don't really show it on the channel too much, but I really do like it. So my code before, Ann, used to just be for $2 off. Now it is 50% off, and that's a steal for $6. So let's open her up. I'm going to do June first. That way I can show you what it looks like. So I'm just going to cut it open. This is one of my favorite colors. Love this. One thing I've always liked about this subscription, you get this little piece of candy, and these are one of my favorite. These are the Welch's Original, and sometimes it's the hard caramel, or it is the it's like gooey with the stuff inside. Love it. And then it always comes like this. And one thing, let me turn this light down a little bit for you. And one thing I like about this is it has like the little stamp. Remember the old school stamps that would seal? And I love that so much. So you get a little card right there. And then this is what tells you what everything is in here. Another thing I like about this subscription, you get to choose what metal you like. So you can either get the silver one, which I like, that I get. You can get the gold one, or you can get the rose gold one. So I think that's great as well. I will leave everything down below. Alright, so let's open her up. Alright, so that's what it looks like. And it comes, of course, with mint like tissue paper. And then you get the little card here, the little logo. And there you go. So here are your 3 pieces of jewelry. Another thing is, if you don't like the bracelet or anything like that, you can contact her and she'll switch it out if there's something in there that you don't like. Alright, so I think these are the earrings, and this month is going to be like crystal themed right here. And oh my god, it's so gorgeous. Now, a lot of times why you don't, even though I say that I do get this delivered to me every month, the reason why I don't wear these a lot, and I'm going to be very honest, if you're not new to my channel, then you know. I always wear big hoops and stuff, and that is because when I was 6 months old, my mother took me to get my ears pierced. But back then, they used to have two different people piercing it at the same time. And so what happened was the holes are uneven. One is higher than the other, and one comes out further than the other. So if I have like studs or small earrings, you can really tell the difference. It's like that. But when you have bigger earrings, you really can't tell unless you're like really looking. And so I usually give this to my daughter because she absolutely loves this subscription. But these are really, really pretty. I just need to go ahead and bite the bullet and get my ears pierced, and that way it's done correctly. These are really beautiful. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So these might be a length that I can wear. I'll have to try it on. and see. But I wish I had my ears double pierced, and that way, you know, I can wear them. But I'm going to take these earrings out and give it a go just to see if they're long enough for me, because they really are pretty, and I love silver. Now, even the necklaces I have worn, and nothing has ever turned green, my ears or anything. But I've never wore them like out in the rain or in the shower either. But for me, they've never turned any different color. So these are what it looks like. Let me look in the mirror and see if you can tell. With these, because I think the way that it's shaped, you really can't tell. And this makes me so happy. Like, I would definitely wear these. I really think they're beautiful. All right, so let's open up the next piece. Okay, so this right here is a necklace. Look how beautiful that is. That is just gorgeous. Oh, that's really, really pretty. And I also like here that they have, you can make it, like you can change the length on it. So you can make them shorter or longer. So I just think that's great. And then you always get a little piece that goes in the back that has like the mongoose symbol on it. But that is really, really pretty. I hope you guys can see it. All right, and then we have one more thing. I think this is another necklace. Wait till I show you. This is beautiful. Look, this is other necklace. So it actually matches the earrings, and everything usually always matches. And this has like a little green stone, but how pretty is that? And again, it has where you can change the lengths on it. So I like that as well. And you can, you know, wear them both, because one is you know, like shorter, you know, one's longer than the other, so you can kind of wear it as a two-piece. You can wear them on their own. But guys, I mean, if you use my code, like I said, $6 for these, and I definitely think it's worth it, even at the regular price of $12. I really, really love this subscription. So my daughter isn't getting this one. All right, so let's do what July's is this month and see what it looks like. Again, you get your little piece of candy. All right, and here is the second one, same thing. So the card for this month, that's what it looks like. And that's the little, right there, card. The cards are always very pretty. And again, you have that, right? And when you open it, that's what it looks like. So you always get the little thank you card, which I think it's nice. In the back it says, yay, it's here. It has all her information. It's packed again in the mint tissue paper. And it's always packaged very nice and bubble wrapped, so it doesn't, you know, like kink or anything. All right, so here are the 3 pieces. And I think these are the earrings. And you can see it's like double packaged, so it's really, really packaged good. Wow, these are really, really pretty. So that's what this looks like. See, now this would be too short. You would definitely be able to tell with my ears. So that's why I got to go ahead and get my ears fixed, because I really like the jewelry that comes every month. It's so pretty. Come on. Right there. All right, so we have that. All right, let's go into the next thing. Oh, now this is pretty too. So you have it matches those earrings, and this is green, but the shape, if I can get it, the shape matches it. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Even this little thing up top, the earrings have. Let me show you. See how the earrings have? So pretty. Again, you have, you have right here where you can make it longer or shorter. So I do like that. That's really, really pretty. All right, and let's see what this thingy is. All right, and so here is another necklace, and you know, you can make it longer or shorter, and this is more like it would be more like a choker, I think. Let me look at it and see exactly what it is. Yeah, I believe it's a necklace. Let's see. Yeah, it would be like a little, like a choker, like a smaller one. Yeah, I would wear it at the last piece. And like I said, again, you can wear these like this, you know, like 2 of them or just alone. And I think it's really, really pretty. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of this subscription? Do you think it's worth the $12 a month? I definitely do. And like I said, you can use my code. Take advantage of it because I don't know how long that code is going to last for, but you can get it for $6. 50% off is a great, great deal. I mean, for $6, like I said, it's worth it. And it's nickel free. I like the fact that you get to choose your own metal that you like, because some subscriptions you can't pick. They just send you whatever they send you, you know? Let me know what you guys think. Do you think it's worth the $12? Do you not? Let me know all the tea. Have you tried Mint Mongoose? If you have, let me know what you think of it. Like I said, if you want to get more of the jewelry, she does have an upgrade called the Black Mint Mongoose. And like I said, I'll leave the link down below. If you do use my code Ann, I don't make anything out of it. It is just for you guys. So that's everything, guys. Please give me a like if you enjoyed this video. It only takes a second and it really does help me out. If you enjoy unboxings, unbaggings, mystery boxes, I have a mystery box I'm getting ready to unbox from Poshmark, then please consider subscribing to our channel. I would love for you to join our family. Don't forget to hit the post notification bell. So double tap it and then make sure it's on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos, because YouTube isn't notifying for every video that I put out. And that is everything, guys. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and try to stay cool in this hot weather that we're having. Oh, before I forget, let me tell you what I have on my eyes. So I am wearing from Sigma the Quarter Rosa palette. Let me show you what it looks like. I love this little thing that it comes with. It's so pretty. But that's what she looks like right there. So pretty. And then the blue that I have under my eyes, I'm using the Millville NJ Kissa collab. This is a recent collab. And there we go. I'm using this blue right here down on my lower eyes. So I always forget to tell you guys, and you always ask me what eyeshadow I'm wearing. All right, that's everything. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh, I'm so excited that I can wear these. Yes.